In its entire existence, our planet has experienced a lot. She's been an observer for millions of years. And I've seen a lot of animal species die out. Sometimes, people find animals frozen in the ice. Wild animals are fighting a real battle for survival. And very often, nature is stronger. Now we will show you very sad and scary photos of animals that are frozen in the ice. Yukagir bison. This is the body of a Yukagir bison found in August 2011 on the northern bank of the Ochera River in Yakutia. Scientists said that this find is 9,300 years old. It is unique in that the corpse of the animal is very well preserved. Thanks to the permafrost, the animal has preserved its tissues, muscles, and even internal organs, such as the brain and heart. Scientists suggest that the bison died of starvation, since there is almost no fat on the body. This is another unique find on the territory of Russia. Before, in such a good condition, ancient bison were not found. I also note that the span of its horns was about 71 centimeters. And the body length is 196 centimeters. Chest circumference of 206 centimeters, he weighed about 600 kilograms. Lion cubs found in a cave. Cubs of an extinct cave lion. His discovery was an incredible success for scientists. The frozen lion cub is perfectly preserved. It has a whole body, soft tissues and wool. Earlier, a lion cub named Boris was found in the same cave. Scientists said that the age of the find is 45,000 years. Since he looks exhausted, we can assume that he died of starvation. Cave bear. Reindeer herders in the permafrost in Yakutia found a dead cave bear. The find was sent to the university in Yakutsk. For the first time, scientists have a unique sample, which has preserved the greedy organs inside. The new specimen is great from the researcher's point of view. He still has muscle fibers and some wool. This is surprising because this species of bear became extinct 15,000 years ago. It was adjacent to mammoths and saber-tooths. Compared to modern bears, it was a giant and weighed more than a ton. Most likely, as the permafrost melts, such finds will become more and more numerous. And now we need to create a genetic base of extinct creatures. The colt. Researchers found liquid blood in the heart of a foal that died 42,000 years ago in Yakutia. The animal has preserved all the internal organs, the muscle tissues have retained a reddish color. Some of the fur was left on the skin. According to scientists, these are the best preserved remains of an Ice Age animal ever found in the world. The carcass of the foal was found in the thermokarst basin of Batagayka, which was formed in the 1960s due to anthropogenic impact and the melting of glaciers. The safety of the foal's remains was exceptional, there were no external injuries on them. As the study of the remains showed, the foal died at the age of no more than 2 weeks. He drowned in the mud, which quickly froze, and therefore the remains are perfectly preserved. A frozen mammoth. The most famous frozen mammoth known as Yuka was found in the permafrost in Yakutia. The mammoth's body and fur were almost completely preserved. Scientists say that it was no older than 10,000 years. You can see that his tusks have just begun to form. Remarkably, his body was covered with numerous cuts. Well, if you liked this video, then subscribe and put a like. Thank you all for watching.